Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to all trending Mzansi EU. Bathanda bomgosi Nakia Ishayile. Not Nandi Madida Iyebo, the one and only Nandi Madida, causing some serious commotion on social media platform after a clip of the interview she had went viral of her speaking on behalf of Black South African men, saying that they have been oppressed for years and women need to give them some grace. EU Batsarabomkosi Mzansi attacked Unandi, saying that she is becoming or she is a pygmy simply because she's defending black men, and that when she's busy saying black South African women must give black men some grace while she married rich, she married the Zex Bantwini. So how is she expecting them to be or to give them grace? Haishem Guningi, and this is what people had to say. Nandi Madida also spoke about women empowerment and advising a girl's child to stay away from transactional relationships and strive to be an independent woman. The People Gang missed that and went crazy because Nandi spoke for black men too. They ignored everything she spoke about women empowerment and went straight to call her a pygmy, only because unlike other women, she did not promote women empowerment by bashing men and calling them trash, a tweet said. As a country, we firmly stand with Nandi Madida in these difficult times of Western values that are misleading both men and women in Africa. I wish she would consider hosting some sessions with her gender to speak some sense into them, and because some of them are really lost, another one added. Problem is that people think their truth applies to everyone. There are men out there that deserve a Nandi, and there are men out there that deserves a Dineo. Some applies with women. There are women that should strive to be a Nandi, and there are women that should strive to be better off as Dineo, and that's okay. So Dineo Ranaka went to her Instagram and then she started bashing Unandi, commenting on what she said. She was basically questioning Unandi, asking her Ukuthi, why did she say that? Where is that coming from? And then she made a reference that there's a generation of Unandi and there's a generation Yabo Winnie Mandela. Hey, Dineo Ranaka Mzansi attacked Udineo, saying that what is there that she has to say or add when Unandi Madida is a successful woman and she is married with having one baby daddy, whereas Sienna, she has multiple baby daddies with failed relationships. Hashem allegedly, Mzansi people can talk. Even Entlembali was dragged to this Batarabumkosi, saying that she gave the black man some grace and then she was embarrassed publicly. The man cheated allegedly and impregnated 2 women. Hashem Guningi, what are your thoughts on this trending issue? Please do leave a comment down below and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.